Vanakkam. Today we are in a very, very important day, International Day for Peace. And exactly on the day of Thiruvalluvar Day in January, Honorable Mr. Justice Mahadevan started this series. We thought initially you need to have a speech in English with all the speakers, keeping the core theme, the theme of UNESCO at the center. Today is the 11th, in the series, this is the 11th event. The people in large number from all various parts of the world have joined us today. Today, a very important day in two respects. The man who wanted the peace as a culture, the man who underscored the importance of peace in UNESCO, the man who you could see the passion in his speech, every word of him, when he said his friendship with Dr. Armu Parasuraman. When he uttered the word friendship, all of us could have definitely seen the smile in his face. It comes from his heart. Thiruvalluvar dedicated 7 chapters, 5 directly on friendship and 2 directly on friendship. So the man who is living for peace, I'm told he is 87. God bless this soul, and he spoke from his heart. It is also really our honor to have Honorable Mr. Justice Mahadevan with us. There's a concern everywhere. What kind of world we are living? Can we make this world a better living place where our children and grandchildren enjoy a better quality life? That is what in the heart of everyone. Even Mr. Mugham, he spoke out of his anxiety. He spoke out of his concern that everybody talks about Thirukkural, but hardly very few people live Thirukkural. So what is the way? This series where people from all over the world have today participated, each one of us has got a role. Each one of us is not the duty of UNESCO, is not the duty of any single individual. It is the duty of each one of us. Each one of us. Take the message of Thiruvalluvar to various nooks and corners of the world, not by simply reciting, not by simply repeating, but by living those principles. What is there in Thirukkural? Honorable Mr. Justice, in his judgment, which Dr. Armu Parasuraman has translated in various languages, including French, and he is trying to convey what is the essence of Thirukkural by reading this judgment. It has been introduced in schools, and many of you may be aware the recent session of the Tamil Nadu Assembly, they removed the ceiling of number of people who can get honorarium for reciting Thirukkural. Children, it has been found children less than 14 years can only memorize all the 1330. There may be exceptions, but 95% or 97% of the students are less than 14 years. So catch them young. Catch them young before the age of 14. Put this vaccine. Now this is a vaccine. It is a pandemic. So put this vaccine in their mind. Then it will sprout from 6th standard to 12th standard. It is part of the syllabus in Tamil Nadu. 105 chapters, 240 couplets. All the 105 chapters. First, out of 108 chapters, 105 chapters, students need to go through the theme. And this year, Government of Tamil Nadu has also hundreds and thousands of Thirukkural books of Vasubha Manikam printed and distributed among children. Now, knowledge is available. It has to start from each one of us, from our home. Very, very succinctly, both the speakers have put it, what needs to be done, what ails a society, what do we do with the wisdom, pristine wisdom which is available for everyone to take. To quote Thiruvalluvar, it is a pond, it's a village pond. Everybody can come and pick up a mug of water. It's a fruit tree in the middle of the tree. It's the middle of the village. Everybody can come and plug the fruit and enjoy the fruit. So we as Tamilians, and there are also non-Tamil speakers, non-Tamilians listening to the program, but the Tamils have, as Frederica Mayo repeatedly underscored, that we have more responsibility to live the message and take the message across the globe. So that is what each one of us are doing. International Thirukkural Foundation, Tamil Vazharchi Mandam, Dr. Chandrika Subramaniam, she is a solicitor. She, in her welcome speech, she outlined the road we traveled. The road is not, it's not starting with one day. It started 3-4 years back. It's a continuous journey. The journey is not going to end with us. It was there, it is there, and it will be there. What we do, our part when we live in this planet Earth. Collective solidarity. This is what one of the words Dr. Frederica Mayo used. Collect the solidarity of the peace. Collectively, we need to focus on this issue. So she outlined the path we traveled. Parsardi, Valai Tamil, everything is there. Siddha is there, Tamil is there, music is there, traditional music is there. Everything is there in Valai Tamil. The man who wears various hats and he supports this program, and we travel together. And Voice of Vellore family has got members from all over the world. It's an organization without any registration. The organization has got headquarters everywhere. It doesn't have branches. Everyone is a headquarters. I'm only a coordinator. So together we need to travel. So one more important announcement I would like to share with participants here. Central Institute of Classical Tamil has come out of the program to translate Thirukkural in various languages of India and the world. If more than 10,000 people speak a language, that is the target language where they want to get the language, where they want to get the work translated. It serves two purposes. One, Thirukkural goes to the particular community. Number two, the 10,000 people, their language will be preserved. Their culture will be preserved. Many of you may be knowing that Saurashtra language is spoken in Madurai area and Salem area. Thirukkural has been translated in Saurashtra language. If children of Saurashtra language read Thirukkural in their mother tongue, of course, the script is in Tamil, the language will be preserved. The culture will be preserved. They will feel close to each other. So this is culture of peace. It has to transcend the borders, and Thirukkural plays a very, very important role. So I'm 100% sure with the unstinted cooperation from each one of you, the journey will be pleasurable. The journey will be fruitful. The journey is long, but it will be very, very enjoyable. So Vallur himself says, Karke kasadare, karpave katrappin nirka adarku thaga. If somebody is not following Thirukkural after reading, learning page to page, from first page to last page, it's of no use. Thiruvallur brand him as the fools among the fools. Fools among the fools. He says, Odi unarndum pararpuraithum tanadanga pedayaril pedayil. He is the greatest fool ever because he learned, but still he has not practiced. He learned preaching, but he is not practicing it. He learned and he understands the importance, but he is not practicing. Then how do I term him? Vallur says, he's the greatest fool on earth. So we don't want to get that kind of certificate from Thiruvallur. We want to behave like a good boy. We will tell him that we are your grandchildren. We will try to live. We will try to live to the extent possible. And Mahatma Gandhi, tomorrow is a very important day. Let me share with you tomorrow is the day, 100th year of Mahatma Gandhi changing his attire, the kind of attire which I am wearing for a formal occasion, coat, and he removed this coat. He was trying to behave like a noble person in the UK, but he felt all these things it will keep away the people from me. Let me wear the simplest dress. In Tamil Nadu, near Madurai, it happened. Tomorrow is the 100th year, 22nd September 1921. Exactly, this is what happened in Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu changed Mahatma Gandhi. It transformed Mahatma Gandhi, and he lived Tirukkural. If one person, if we want to study in depth, it has to be Mahatma Gandhi and his life, his message. He said, my life is my message. So Dr. R. Prasaraman quoted from various scholars from all over the world. And one example, living example, wholesome example is Mahatma Gandhi. He may have plus and minus, people may argue, but we are not here to pick up the faulty points, if at all there is any. I don't agree. I worship Mahatma Gandhi. My grandfather was a freedom fighter. So Mahatma Gandhi life is a message for us. He is a man who tried to live Tirukkural. He knew Tirukkural. He has studied Tirukkural. He studied translation of Tirukkural. He wanted to read in Tamil. If at all there is a next birth, he wanted to be born as a Tamil just to read Tirukkural in Tamil. So people from all over the world, kindly, one can master a language in 3 months' time. My children, both of them, for various reasons, could not read Tamil, but they learned Tamil. They can read Tamil. So my appeal to each one of you here, in this journey, which is International Tirukkural Foundation, Dr. R. Prasaraman, after retirement, many people go and enjoy their life. But he felt he's got a call towards the society, and he wants to fulfill that, and he has taken up this great task. Similarly, Chandrika Subramaniam, Valai Tamil Pastardi, and of course, I'm 63 plus, and Voice of Valluvar family, we are trying to spread the message of Thiruvalluvar by living the principles contained there. And the kind of support we get from the Honorable Mr. Justice, any time, he is always there to bless us, to guide us, to take it to the next level. And his judgment is a milestone in the history. The history of Tirukkural cannot be written without the judgment. And today, before concluding that, I want to, just 4 words which, a friend of mine, he was very keenly observing today's proceeding, and Dr. Frederick Mayer said, learning is not mugging up or collecting information. He said 4 things. Let me conclude with that. The passionate appeal. I really thank both the speakers. They spoke from the heart, the subject which is close to the heart, and how do we achieve peace? How do we can bring peace on planet Earth? He said, learn to be. Anatthukkan Vasilanathan. Then learn to know, learn to do, and learn to live together. The 4 learning is said, and this 4, we need to keep in our mind, keep it as a guiding force. And he also said, don't be a mere spectator. If you can take a stone and put the stone on the wall will be built. Whatever there's no effort is small. No effort is small. Let us each one of us be messenger of peace on this International Day of Peace. Let's take this. Let us resolve ourselves. Let's rededicate ourselves to the cause of learning, living, and spreading the message of Tirukkural. It started off from Tamil Nadu, and it will definitely end up in. There will be a statue in UNESCO for Thiruvalluvar. The UNESCO will a day will come when it will consider Tirukkural as a book of heritage of mankind. And this wisdom needs to be shared with everyone. The day will come, the day is not far off. Things are there brighter, and we all work together. And once again, I thank all the participants who listen to today's lecture. Kindly share this lecture with everyone. The message need to go, and let's work together. Please share your coordinates with with us with the email, whatever your contact details. We'll be in touch with us. Please advise us. Please come out with the speakers. Please come out with the other than Tamil speakers, and we will Dr. Arun Prasad Nanda's leadership definitely will consider each one of their name, and it's a continuous journey. So once again, I thank on behalf of all four of them. That is Voice of Vallur Family, International Tirukkural Foundation, our Tamil Valarchi Mandam Australia, and Valai Tamil. Thank each one of both the speakers, the speaker, special speaker, both the speakers. We thank from our heart, and all the participants. I thank from my heart. நன்றி கொன்றார்க்கும் உய்வுண்டாம் உய்வுள்ளை செய் நன்றி கொண்டவன். நன்றி இந்த ஜேர்னி டுகெதர் தான். நம்ம யாருக்கு யார் நன்றி சொல்றது? நம்ம ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் நன்றி சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம will travel together. Thank you very much.